Welcome. My name is Fahim Abdurrazak. I'm the founder and executive director for Far Beyond Success Incorporated. We are a 501c3 not-for-profit charitable organization in New York City. We provide services to individuals, small businesses, and community-based organizations. The services we provide are videography, equipment usage and training, audio services, which include sound system operation, rental, training, as well as podcasting. We also offer classes in Black history and African dance classes. These workshops and classes that we offer are free to the general public. We don't charge any money. This is where we need your help. We are not able to sustain this free course offerings without your generous donations. So please, make a donation to Far Beyond Success Incorporated so we can continue servicing our community. If you're around, come check out one of our film workshops, video editing workshops, camera use workshops. We also do science, technology, engineering, art, and math programs. So again, we can't make this happen without your help. In addition to getting your tax-deductible letter, you can also participate in the programs if you are interested or volunteer for our organization. Thank you for your time. This is Fahim Abdurrazak from Far Beyond Success Incorporated. Please support us. Thank you.